Hello there guys, hope you're well and welcome to another Belynz vlog. This time we're on vlog number 2 and... Now, you may see me joking about it. I completely understand it is a serious matter, but... So, all is good. That's, in my head, extremely amusing. So, Euro Truck Simulator. Now, the reason why I just said that is because that's it. That's all really I wanted to say. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new and you like this sort of content, there's absolutely nothing coming up on my channel. So that's it. Another vlog out of the way. Thank you very much.
My name is Frugal.
Take care, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.